Okay guys, do now, write this in. Right, number 1, 10x plus 5x minus 3x. Today we're doing the second bonus quiz. Remember, if you take your time, write the questions out. If you score an 85 or higher, you'll get points for your quarter 1 grade. You should be using these notes. You should be writing each problem into your notebook and taking your time. You're going to watch this video, write the do now questions into your notebook, then go to classwork and do the quiz. Once again, if you get 85 or higher, you'll get points. You're allowed to use a calculator. You're allowed to take your time. You're allowed to use all your notes, so it's an open book quiz. So hopefully you're doing the do now first. After the do now, you start the quiz. Okay, first thing we're going to do is when we do combine like terms, we look. Okay, they're all the same. 10x plus 5x minus 3x. You are typing in 10 plus 5 minus 3. Type that in the calculator. You should get 12. You bring down the x. That's my final answer. I can add them all up because they are like terms. Now we go to number 2. I circle the negative 3. I go down. I see what is its partner or its like. It can't be the x because they are not like terms. I take the sign in the front. I'm simply typing in negative 3 plus 7. I type that in. You should be practicing this. This is how you're going to do the quiz. Negative 3 plus 7 in the calculator will give me a positive 4. I write that out. Now I cross these out. I box the next one. Positive 2x and positive 6. They are like terms because they have the letter x. I type in the calculator 2 plus 6 is 8, positive 8, and I have to bring the letter x down. So my final answer is 4 plus 8x. Once again, you're just combining like terms. The next one here for number 3 is 5x plus 10x plus 3y plus 10. I start on the left. I circle my 5x. I go down. I see what is his partner, the 10x. This is saying 5 plus 10. That's what I type in the calculator. Do that now. 5 plus 10 is 15, and I have to bring the x. I can even cross this out to help organize my work. Next is the 3y. I can underline it, box it, whatever is easier. There's no other one that goes with it. The 10 cannot be added because they are not like terms. I simply bring it down, cross it out. Now I have a positive 10. Nothing can go with it, so I simply bring it down. So my final answer is 15x plus 3y plus 10. Remember, take your time. Circle like terms. Take the sign in the front. Take your time. If there's nothing to combine with it, you simply just bring it straight down. Once again, if there's nothing to add, you just bring it straight down. Okay, these you should be writing into your notebook. Okay, you write it out. 2x plus 4 equals 10. I draw my wall. And numbers go to the right. I circle that positive 4. And I say, what is the opposite of a positive 4? The opposite of a positive 4 is a negative. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Remember, this is an open book quiz. You can go back into your notebook. You can go into packets, flashcards, and see how we've done this in the past. Our notes would say, cross out, bring out the 2x, cross out, and solve. 10 minus 4 is 6. The last and final step for these are division. Divide. Whatever I do to one side, I do the other. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Take your time. Make sure you're doing the opposite. You're crossing out. And your last is to divide. Now, for distributing property, you are drawing your arrows. You're writing times. You take your time. You write each problem out on this bonus quiz. You go back to your notes. You're doing 2 times 2. This is multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. I bring the x down. We're doing each term. Now I say 2 times a positive 3. Underline it if that helps you out. 2 times 3 is a positive 6. And that is my final answer. Okay, draw your arrows. Let's try one with negatives. Okay, write that into your notebook. -3, parentheses, -2x minus 4. I take my time. -3 times a -2. You're allowed to use a calculator. -3 times a -2 is a positive 6x. -3, remember, underline it, times a -4. Type it in the calculator. -3 times a -4 is a positive 12. Okay, right now, after you have written all these notes, make sure you have times, you wrote all the notes. You're going to leave this notebook open. You're going to turn to the next available page. Okay, if you're turning, and you can write bonus quiz. Okay, I'm just doing it here to model. Turn to the next page. Number 1, write the problem out and solve it. Once you solve it, you click on the correct choice. Take your time, and that is it for today. I'm going to be taking attendance if you complete the quiz. If you complete the quiz, then I know that you went to the class stream, you watched the Do Now video, and you completed today's assignment. Have a wonderful day.